Hi mga ka-sammy! Chrizzy here and welcome back for another my Samsung story here on our YouTube channel, Samsung Galaxy UPH. But before we start, let's congratulate our winners last week. Ano nga ba ang question natin last week? Is the camera feature of Galaxy S22 Ultra that was used to record this video? At ang tamang sagot ay Director's View!
Correct!
Kung gusto mong ikaw naman ang manalo next week, just keep on watching this video and once you hear this sound, may question na dapat masagot mo at kapag tama ang sagot mo, you will get an instant treat from Samsung Galaxy UPH.
Legit!
For today's video, I'm so excited to share with you mga kasami that currently I'm pursuing a new business venture.
Uy, ano yan, Chrizzy?
To tell you mga kasami, there are a lot of things talaga to consider in starting a business.
OMG!
But for now, allow me to share with you the step-by-step process on how I will register my business name via online application using my Galaxy S22 Ultra.
Let's go!
First of all, since tutorial video itong ginagawa ko, I'll be using the screen recording feature which can be found in the quick access panel of my Galaxy S22 Ultra. Ayos diba? No need na mag-download ng third-party application since readily available na siya sa phone ko when I need it.
Ayos!
Step 1. Register your business name online. Search mo lang business name registration. Fairness, with the 122Hz adaptive display, I feel that my Galaxy S22 Ultra is smoother and more responsive as it seems to react more quickly to my command.
Amazing!
Step 2. I-fill up lang natin the online registration form which basically requires the business owner to provide her citizenship, complete name, date of birth, civil status, and gender. Single but not available.
Walang forever.
And then after checking and confirming your personal information, click proceed.
Noted on that, Chrizzy.
Step 3, which is to choose the territorial scope of your business. Ito rin yung magdidictate ng registration fee na kailangan bayaran mamaya. So ako, since medyo gipit kasi ako ngayon, dun tayo sa 200 pesos lang. What? Sure lang, yung itatayo ko din kasing business is in a residential area lang naman.
Oh, really?
Step 4. This is the most crucial part in business name registration. So we have to check the availability of the business name. Sana available pa. Yun! Yes! Lahat ng status pass.
Amazing!
Alam niyo ba mga kasami, kapag kasi may isa dito na nag-fail, ibig sabihin nun, I need to think of another business name. Kinabahan ako ng very light doon, pero buti na lang, pass lahat.
Nice one, Chrizzy!
Step 5. Take note of your reference code. Oh, question mga kasami. What is the Galaxy S22 Ultra's feature that I use to swipe the edge of my hand across the screen to take a screenshot?
Answer now, mga kasami!
Step 6. You will be asked to provide your business address and contact details. Ma, ano nga ba yung address natin dito sa Bulacan? Step 7. Hihin ko lang muna itong undertaking and consent.
A few minutes later.
Ang nagugutom ata ako.
Ay, nako, Chrizzy! Pamigay ka naman, Chrizzy!
Step 8. Proceed na tayo sa payment. So, I will pay via GCash.
Pautang naman, Chrizzy!
After payment, they will send you a verification code na gagamitin mo to get access sa mga downloadable contents like undertaking, official receipt, and certificate! Now, we're done! Mission accomplished!
Yes naman!
I really love how amazing my Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I hope you will love it too. Thanks again mga kasami for watching again. I'm Chrizzy and see you again on my next Samsung story.
If you like this video, hit the like button and tap the notification bell to keep you updated with the latest news from Samsung. Please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, Galaxy UPH. Be updated and not outdated.